So I use my RAV4 as a mini work truck often, and I just wanted to show you this rig that I have set up. I got this Husky Tote from Home Depot for, oh gosh, I think it was $23, and it's 45 gallon, so really pretty inexpensive. But I added a few things to it and I wanted to show you. So let me show you. First of all, I've got these Velcro strips that I got as a gift that I wasn't sure I was going to like, and they turned out to be really nice. They're for hanging cords and ropes and extension cords, but they have a lot of multifunction use and they're very strong. So I've got one in each spot, and I have taken the seats out of the back of my RAV4 so that this sits down below eye level and it's a little less conspicuous. Takes up less space, and I've got a whole lot more room, so it's like having a small truck. And then I have used a tie down so that it stays in place. You know, if you're traveling, you don't want heavy equipment to come flying forward if you make a fast stop. So I've got a tie down and it goes through the handle, and then I also have it goes through the Velcro strip here, so it keeps it nice and sturdy. It keeps it from sliding around. Open this and let's see what's inside. Look at all that it stores. So just a ton of stuff. Again, it's 45 gallons. And like I said, on the other side, it's got a handle, and it's got wheels. Nice set of wheels. So it's very portable. I think I put over 100 pounds into it. It's the size of a bathtub, so it can hold a lot of material. The manufacturer says you can put up to 400 pounds into this tote, which is incredible. But that's more than what I can lift to get into the car, so I'm going to keep it to around 100 pounds for myself. So it's got the clamp at both ends. Keep it shut. And if you want, so you can just pick it up and go. That's great. If you want a little handle extension, this is my MacGyver trick right here. This comes from a weight kit. And then this is another one of those cord ties, Velcro cord ties. You just put it around like that. Attach it.